Hey, Patrick with KYGUNCO coming at you with a new 22 plinker, and notably it's from Retay. Retay primarily is a shotgun importer. That's what they've done for the past 5 or so years that we've known them. They've imported quality shotguns from Turkey, usually copying Benelli style shotguns. Well, they've started to get into the 22 rimfire market, and they're bringing in a new 22 that a lot of the other manufacturers have somewhat ignored. Now, I know 22 plinkers are not new by any means, but with all these features, and most notably that I'm about to show you, it has a brace. So just for some reason, it seems like a lot of the other manufacturers are bringing in either the pistols or the longer rifle versions, but they have ignored the brace market in the rimfire platform. I know there's a couple of them out there, but it's not widely adopted. Come on in, let me show you. This has a folding pistol brace on there. It has QD slots. It comes with the front and rear folding sights, full-length Picatinny rail. That is an aluminum M-LOK handguard on there. This is threaded. This has a cover right now, or a barrel cover, that kind of makes it look like a faux suppressor. It overlaps the barrel, but it is 1/2 by 28, and it is threaded for obviously any common use of suppressor today. Working dust cover, which a lot of the more price point or more economical plinkers do not have on it. And this is a true ambi gun. It has an ambi charging handle, QD slots on both sides, safety on both sides. Of course, mag release, bolt release, but bolt release on this side and mag release on the other side. It comes with 2 magazine options for the freer states, 25 rounds, and then they are working on a compliant version that is 10 round. But cool little gun. So we're shooting suppressed today. We're shooting 25 round mag as we noted. And this is an easy load mag. It has a little finger grooves right there on the side. On both sides you push down. Anybody can load that mag. And these will be our first shots out of the new RA1522 from Retay. Economical, suppressor ready, and with the brace. And they're also making a rifle version with a 16-inch barrel and a collapsible stock. If you think this might be the ticket for you, then check out all the offerings from Retay.